Oh my God, this is a wonderful song. A well-written, transcribed song. Hi everyone. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing fantastico. Okay then, so we're here with someone new. And this person, she's called Ligaw na Bullet. Features one of my G. He's called Skusta's Clee. Oh yeah. I am pretty much excited for this one. Like, I'm eager to hear what's up. Okay, so a small introduction. If you all don't know, or if you're new, I'm from Jamaica, and greetings from Jamaica. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer because of Skusta's Clee, welcome back. And without further ado, let's dive into these wonderful people's collaboration.
Sadyang tumigil ang mundo nang bigla ka lang lumapit sa'kin lamig. Nobody's ever made me feel this way. Diving through the ocean till you stay.
Wow. I love her voice. She sounds incredible. Diving into the ocean through your stare. Awesome, wonderful message. Let's continue because I'm eager to hear what's up. Got any plans tonight? I got a little time. I never had a type. So she's asking Skusta's Clee, hey bro, do you have any plans tonight? She's never had a type before, so I guess Skusta's Clee is her type. And I'm feeling the connection here.
Never had a type, but you don't change my mind. Tell me that you're falling, tell me that you want it. It's a wooden call, yeah. But ako tinamaan only you, boy.
Just imagine, you are spending time with such a beautiful woman. Every time that is being spent, it's her. I would never leave this woman's side, like absolutely never. Damn, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous.
Di na bibitawan only you, boy. Kahit sumasasamahan basta you, boy. Bahala na sila, ligaw na palay sila.
I love her voice. I love her vibe. I love when a woman can, express herself with such elegant words. I am loving the vibe, bro. Loving the vibe. She's giving me a vibe to date her. So just imagine how Skustas would feel when he's dating this woman. Hey, just imagine, bro. She's saying only you, boy. That is some high level shit, bro. Like, that is some high level shit. Damn, I was feeling flattered at the moment when she says that.
Gusto kang araw-araw pang gigilan. Hindi ko kayang sandali lang.
He's my G, and I respect him. I respect Skustas because, he's an incredible artist with such great delivery. And I have to give him the credit for that, bro. Trust me.
Dami-dami ng tukso, ay ikaw pa rin ang gusto. Kahit nung nakilala kita, alam kong dama mo na.
Oh my God, yo! Who else is feeling happy while listening? Who else is feeling great while listening? I always admire this man's work. I always admire this man's role in music. He's playing a vital role. He's changing a lot of people's lives. And this is the reason why I became a fan, because the first time I've encountered this man, I've seen so much difference in this man. And to see him with a collaboration with Ligaw here, it's a bar for me. It's bonus.
Bagay tayong dalawa. ang kilig ay madaling nahalata. Ikaw ang katahimikan na di
Just imagine, he's responding to that woman's message. And she's goodly in a blushing state. That's some great dating momentum, bro. That's bars there.
nakakasama pakinggan, di nakakasawang tignan. Ang pag-ibig na to ang tanging makakasagip sa akin. Handa ko pa rin salagin na
Ligaw na bala sinalo
ligaw na bala sinalo.
Di ko agad napagtanto Di akalain tatakbo
Di akalaing tatakbo.
Eye level collaboration. This is what I call a good collaboration. A beautiful music with such astounding artists. And don't get me wrong, I never compliment the female's voice. Her voice is such a promising with a beautiful cadence. Right? I'm loving her voice. She got some very good vocals, and not to mention Skusta's here. Two great artists collaborating with great voices. The voice of the people.
Tumigil ang mundo Nang bigla ka lang lumapit sa'kin Tonight I got a little time I never had a type But you don't change my mind
Whoa. Hey bro, you got any plans tonight? She never had a type. But you don't change your mind. We have plans tonight, bro, so please don't change your mind. I mean, like, I was planning for this day. This day was a day of my specialties. This is on my to-do list. So please don't change your mind. I would not change my mind from this woman, bro. I would make every momentum count with this woman. Wow.
Tell me that you're falling Tell me that you want it It's a wooden call, yeah But ako tinamaan only you Boy, di na bibitawan
Oh my God, this is a wonderful song. A well-written, transcribed song. Wow.
only you Boy, kahit sa masasamahan Basta you Boy, bahala na sila Ligaw na pala'y sinalo Ba't tinamaan only you
Nice. Promising artists. Promising artists. Damn, I love this man's voice so much. Plus the female voice had on to that, flames. That literally burning.
Boy, di na bibitawan only you Boy, kahit sa masasamahan Basta you Boy, bahala na sila Ligaw na
Such sweet music. Such sweet sound.
pala'y sinalo Ligaw na bala sinalo
Ikaw na bala sinalo.
Di ko agad napagtanto Di akalain tatakbo
Di akalaing tatakbo.
You guys should keep up the great work. I'm happy I found you guys because, I was searching through YouTube and I found you guys, and I'm happy that I found you guys. I'm loving it.
Sadyang tumigil ang mundo
Well done, guys. Well done. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, and you all can smash the subscribe button if you guys want more reaction for Skusta's Clee. And share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor, to any one of Skusta's Clee's fans. I would very much appreciate that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.